How to whiten teeth at home in 3 days and remove tartar and black teeth without going to the dentist. Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you are excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. Have you ever wondered that movie stars, media persons, television actors, and other celebrities have in common? Fair skin? No. Their perfect figure? Not at all. It is their well-aligned, peculiarly sharp white teeth. They have no stains, no discoloration, and no kind of deformities. So, why is it that they pay much attention to their teeth? It's because your smile speaks volumes about your personality. Bright white teeth give you the confidence to share your smile. And not only are white teeth beautiful, but they're also a signal that your mouth is in really good condition. But if you are a regular consumer of dark drinks such as coffee, black tea, beer, red wine, among others, chances are you may end up with stained teeth. There are plenty of products to choose from when it comes to whitening your teeth. However, most whitening products use chemicals to bleach your teeth, which concerns many people. Whitening your teeth is the key to a healthy smile. The fastest way to whiten your teeth is indeed by visiting your cosmetic dentist. But did you know you can whiten discolored or stained teeth at the comfort of your own house? Good thing is that home remedies are healthy for your teeth even in the long run. Home remedies are less expensive and some methods can produce quick results. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the products that you can use at home to whiten your teeth, remove tartar, and enhance the smile without passing through the chemical process. Also, this video demonstration will show you some practical options that are both natural and safe and give you some incredible teeth whitening suggestions. But first, let's consider what causes teeth to turn black and lose their bright white sparkle. Causes of tartar. Certain foods can stain your enamel, which is the outermost layer of your teeth. Additionally, plaque buildup on your teeth can cause them to look yellow. However, sometimes teeth look yellow because the hard enamel has eroded, revealing the dentine, a naturally yellow, bony tissue that lies underneath the enamel. Luckily, this type of discoloration can usually be treated with regular cleaning and whitening natural remedies. To do that, you will need the following ingredients. Orange. How it works. Rubbing orange peels on your teeth will make them whiter. It's believed that the compound limonene and/or citric acid, which is found in some citrus fruit peels, will help to whiten your teeth. Apple cider vinegar. How it works. Apple cider vinegar works as a natural antibiotic and teeth cleaner, and it also removes stubborn stains on your teeth. It's especially helpful for removing stains due to coffee and nicotine. It contains compounds including acetic acid, potassium, magnesium, probiotics, and enzymes, which kill germs and bad bacteria and at the same time promote the growth of beneficial good probiotic bacteria. Apple cider vinegar is also known to have many healing qualities. This natural antibiotic is also great for your mouth. It will act as a personal scrubber for your teeth and gums, removing stains and bacteria. But why does it work so well? Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, potassium, magnesium, probiotics, and enzymes. These little workers eliminate harmful bacteria while promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Since it's naturally acidic, it helps break down plaque or other substances stuck on the teeth. Plus, the pH of apple cider vinegar can remove stains from your teeth, which help to naturally whiten your teeth. Cornstarch. How it works. Cornstarch is the forgotten ingredient so many of us have purchased from one recipe or another. Whether it was to thicken up a sauce or create the perfect pie filling, there's more to corn flour than meets the eye. it's time to dust off that box, the one sitting on your kitchen cabinet, and put it into good use. Cornstarch is inexpensive, and there are so many ways you can use it around the house, including teeth whitening alongside other ingredients listed in this video. Colgate toothpaste. How it works. While some harsh whitening toothpaste might indeed cause damage to tooth enamel if used for weeks or months at a time, the one we've included in this demonstration won't do so. They won't even cause tooth sensitivity or acne either. Colgate toothpaste helps to remove surface stains, showing off the natural appearance of the exterior of your teeth. It will not whiten the enamel itself, but merely reveal its true color. With regular use, this whitening toothpaste removes intrinsic teeth stains ordinary toothpaste doesn't. It also contains hydrogen peroxide, which is considered the gold standard for stain removal and cavity-fighting fluoride. So if you want to remove deep black stains or that are yellowed or otherwise discolored, professional whitening paste like Colgate toothpaste is probably necessary. Almond oil. How it works. Almond oil generates antioxidants which damage the cell of microorganisms and kill them. These oils will attract the lipid layer of the bacterial cell membranes and cause it to stick or get attracted and pulled to the oil. This oil will coat the teeth and gingiva and inhibits bacteria co-aggregation and plaque formation. Thus, plaque-building bacteria responsible for dental caries, gingivitis, periodontitis, and bad breath are removed from the oral cavity. Gums become pink, healthier, and the problem of bleeding gums is solved. Almond oil also helps to resolve symptoms of dry mouth, throat, and chapped lips. Also, teeth become whiter, breath becomes fresher. Oral cavity muscles and jaws become stronger with that excellent achievement of oral hygiene. Now that we have the necessary ingredients, let's see how to make it work. Processing. First, cut the orange into two. Squeeze the orange juice out. Add 3 tablespoons of orange juice to an empty bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add Colgate toothpaste. Stir thoroughly together. And then add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Mix well. Once done, brush your teeth once a day before bed for a week and you will get the desired result. Glad you made it to this part of this video where we will be wrapping it up. But before we do that, here are some few tips to prevent further tooth stains. While your teeth naturally turn yellow as you age, some things can help prevent stains on your teeth. Limit staining foods and beverages such as coffee, red wine, soda, and dark berries are infamous for staining teeth. That doesn't mean you have to completely avoid them, but you should limit the amount of time these substances are in contact with your teeth. If possible, drink beverages known to stain teeth out of a straw to prevent direct contact with your teeth. Moreover, brush your teeth soon after consuming one of these foods or beverages to limit their effects on the color of your teeth. Additionally, avoid smoking and chewing tobacco as both can cause tooth discoloration. Limit your sugar intake. If you want whiter teeth, cut back on sugar intake. A diet high in sugar supports the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary type of bacteria that causes plaque and gingivitis. When you consume a sugary food, be sure to brush your teeth soon after. Finally, get plenty of calcium in your diet. Some tooth discoloration is caused by enamel eroding and exposing the dentin underneath, which is yellow. Therefore, anything you do to strengthen the enamel of your teeth will help keep your teeth pearly white. Calcium-rich foods such as milk, cheese, and broccoli may help protect your teeth from enamel erosion. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos. From Herbal Corner.